People are very important in our business. You buy products from people you trust, and when they have a history with you, they come back again and again.
We're family owned and operated. Me and along with my cousin Matt make up the third generation.
The company, which is 62 years old, has continued to grow. We've outgrown a lot of locations.
We have 100,000 square feet of warehouse.
Floor-to-ceiling product, millions of pieces of product back there.
It's just a matter of pulling it off the shelf and shipping it.
When someone calls and say, hey, I need 10,000 of an item, can you ship it out in a couple days? We say, no problem. We cater towards professional photographers, Etsy resellers, embroiderers. We really offer a huge variety of different photo products that allows us to be more of a one-stop shop.
Didn't know how many photo products there could be in this world.
We've had very rare requests from customers and we just make it happen.
Things can get pulled, printed, packed, and shipped in a matter of hours if needed. If our customers have some sort of emergency and need product, we'll do whatever it takes to get it out the door. Knowing how important it is for our customers makes it important for us.